Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start with the basics of growing green moong. In this video, I will explain how to grow green moong step by step. First, choose good quality seeds for the best results. Soak your green moong seeds in clean water for about 8 to 12 hours. This step is crucial for waking them up and getting them ready to sprout. After soaking, make sure to drain all the water completely to avoid any issues with rotting. This simple preparation sets the stage for successful growth. Once your seeds are soaked, it's time for them to sprout. Transfer them to a breathable container, like a colander or a cloth bag, and keep them in a warm, dark place. Remember to rinse them gently twice a day to keep them moist and prevent any mold from forming. After 2 to 3 days, you'll see tiny sprouts emerging. Now, plant these sprouted seeds about 1 inch deep in well-draining soil, spacing them about 4 to 6 inches apart. Caring for your green moong plants is straightforward. They thrive with consistent moisture, so water them when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Ensure your plants get at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. A sunny spot is ideal. For an extra boost, you can fertilize them with a balanced organic fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. This helps promote strong, healthy growth and a good yield. Harvesting your green moong is a rewarding experience. The plants typically mature in about 60 to 90 days. You'll know they're ready when the pods dry out and turn a light brown color. Carefully pick the pods from the plants. Once harvested, gently open the pods and remove the seeds. Ensure the seeds are completely dry before storing them. Keep your dried green moong seeds in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for long-term freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.